the governor-elect and the deputy governor-elect, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, please permit me to breach the protocol so that we finish quickly and go home. When I was informed that there is a dinner by political appointees, I was wondering what it was. Now coming here and hearing some of you speak has made me understood what it is all about. Let me first thank you, all of you, that worked with us, supported us during this journey. Secondly, I want to appeal to you that if the governor-elect and the deputy governor-elect ask you to remain in the new administration, no matter how inconvenient, please consider it so that you help moving Kaduna State forward in the right direction. So please consider staying back to help Governor Obasani and Deputy Governor Hadiza Balarabe. That's the only way our state can continue to make progress. And when you stay back, please give as much or even more of yourselves to support Uba and Dr. Hadiza for the next 4 years to 8 years. Now, many people have come here and said we've given them opportunities and so on and so forth. Even the governor-elect is telling you a story. And that story is very similar to the story of many of you. There are many people in this room that started working with us as technical assistants, some special assistants. We didn't just give them jobs. We saw their capability, we saw their talent that is there to be cultivated. So we bring you in, we give you a challenge, you do it well, we move you to another level. You do that well, we move you to another level. It is the template that applies to Uba. When we started working in the FCT, then President Obasanjo wanted someone. He described the kind of person he wants, and I said, Obasani can do it. And now he's here. But this was 20-something years ago. Okay. But it is the story of most of you. Because I believe that if God gives you the opportunity to lead others, your most important job is to develop people. You must uplift people. You must create successes better than you. My hope and prayer is that Uba will do a better job as governor of Kaduna State than I ever did. That's what will make me happy. Because creating people that are more successful than you takes nothing from you. Finally, on the 29th of May, by 12 noon, we would have sworn in. We'd usually swear in the deputy governor first. We'd have sworn in Dr. Hadiza Balarabe and then Senator Obasani. I'll be gone. You will not see me around here. And don't come looking for me in Abuja. You mind your own business, I mind mine. But seriously, please make a commitment to be ambassadors of our community, of a good society, of people that care about those that need to be cared for. That is all I ask of you. Good night, everyone, and God bless you.